Mixed with fresh and salt water. In this entrance is the deepest part of the cave, only 27 feet or 9 meters. The birds flying are the swallow birds or swift birds. Yan po yung ginagawang birds ni soup, balit sa sayaw. One of the 7 wonders of nature. As we start to our journey, may God bless us and keep us safe until we come back. If you have any questions about the cave, you don't hesitate to ask me, so that our tour is more adventurous. No sleeping inside, because inside is totally dark. Magtanong po kayo para may kausap ako rito sa likod. Kasi mahirap ang salita rito na walang kausap. Medyo malakas na po yung current kasi medyo low tide na kasi ngayon. Pagbo mo sila.
Oh, pero
taas ang level sa
taas
tubig.
ang level sa tubig, pero mukuan na siya. Hindi yung head namin.
Okay raw, makasulod naman. Basta lang, dili lang baha ang sapa.
So,
problema lang din, baha ang sapa, taas na siyang level.
Kahit high tide, makapasok ka rin.
Makasulod yapon. Waves cake, di sa magamit ng sun waves. Mayroong tendency po na mabangga sila sa pangpang. Okay, you see the brown lines? Forward. Higher. That is the best scoop. That is called guano. Guano is expensive organic fertilizer because rich in phosphate. And that is the bats, they are bad odor because their position is inverted position. Their urine is good or body. Pag muihi sila, dito silang lawas sa ingon.
During night time, they will get out here. Lalabas
na sila gabi.
For food.
Mga nocturnal man sila siya.
Ready for food.
Oo, may tagpagkaon nila. Insects. Right side, sir. That is the bat cave. Bat cave. 50 meters from here, an estimated of their population, more than 40,000 bats. That is the place of Batman. I don't go there because I'm only a boatman. We open our mouth. Or you don't say wow, you say so that your mouth is closed. Or ammonia. Or ipot. First American who explored this cave, he is Dr. Dean Worcester. He is a professor in Michigan University and he is a geologist. Nakatiwarik. Candle or the melting candle. Estimated more than 20 million years old. Every year, 0.08 inches every year. That is example of stalagmites. Right side, sir.
The light again, please.
That is a statue of Virgin Mary.
Where?
Right?
Right.
Up a little. Statue of Virgin Mary or Fatima. And this place, Pegasus. Forward, more. That is Holy Family. Looks like Joseph and Mary in Bethlehem.
Yeah.
Or Belen. More right. That is Broken Family. Broken Family. Watak-watak ng bato dito. Looks like beans. String beans, Baguio beans, Mr. Beans. That one, garlic. Garlic. Forward. Garlic. Higher. Up. Looks like cacao fruit made of chocolate. Higher. Looks like sweet corn. Yellow corn or capricorn. Higher, that is popcorn. Popcorn. Left side, sir. That is giant mushroom. That is up a little. That is male mushroom.
Sick.
Yeah, male mushroom. And besides, that is higher, female. Snake's head. Forward a little, higher. Looks like eggplant. Talong. And besides, that is tortang talong. Moray. Yeah, already cooked. Eggplant with egg. Fried eggplant. Higher. Forward, that is banana blossom.
Wow.
Looks like banana blossom. Or heart. Okay, we are now approaching to the high ceiling. The highest part of the cave. On top of this one, that is a mountain formed like a nose. That is St. Paul Mountain. Katubit ang bukid yung marag ilong gani ha.
Dito?
Sa right side. Ano pa yung diri sa right side ninyo ang bukid yung marag ilong.
Oo.
Oh.
Kita karon sa ilawom ato.
Oh.
We are now in the bottom of that mountain. That is
Katong
St. Paul
kanong
Mountain.
bato lang.
Sleeping giant. Down, right side, right, right, more. That is Palawan Eagle. Agila. Palawan Eagle. Forward a little. That is example of stalagmites. Up a little. Stalactites, if they are transformed, that is called columns. Pag mutagbo na sila, columns na siya. Hapit na sila mutagbo. Down a little.
Sa sige ni mo balik-balik ko yan.
Forward a little. Higher. That is brown Buddha. Yeah. If it is yellow, we call it golden Buddha. You know, if it is golden Buddha, maybe I quit my job. Or I love give guide because it's a legal job. I entertained many guests and I can speak alone. Higher. This place is a high ceiling. It measured 60 meters high. Right side. More right. That is famous mountain in Manila. In Payatas, Quezon. Down a little. That is SM. Down. That is Smoky Mountain. Looks like garbage mountain. But the chocolate brown soil, that is called guano. That is the poops of the bats.
So, ano na kuya?
Abuno.
No, walang kumukuha.
Wala, bawal. Kay protected area man na
So, pupusa lang yan sa tubig.
Unang kusang asin sa tubig. Left, higher. You see the black stone? That is composed of manganese phosphate made of gunpowder. Muna na yung pulbura ka ng itong nga bato. That's why outside the cave, near the beach is a big warning, no smoking. Because if the mountain is burned, also this cave is burned also. Because manganese is flammable. Down, forward, down. That is called highway. More than 300 meters straight in diameter. That is the twilight zone. Dumadaan tayo ngayon sa matuwid na daan. Just like Highway 54. Okay, to all my special guests this morning, we are now to our turning point of our tour. You want some more?
Yes.
Okay, just swim. Yeah, next time if you go further, you get special permit, 1,000 per person, and we go 4.3 kilometers. And our tour is more than 3 hours tour.
Pero, hindi mag-exit doon.
It's inflow. Pero,
Kuyaw na.
more na nabigable na diya, 4.3 kilometers.
Okay.
Makalapo atong 4.3, tao na lang makasunod. Kaya gamay naman ang bangang.
Okay, so after
We-
4.3.
And then die and go out to 8.2 kilometers. Ito yung Kabayogan River. That is the second low. Underground river is called because the river passed under the mountain. That's why it's called underground river.